National Weather Service in Brownsburg, Indiana was issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hendricks County in north-central Indiana, Marion County in north-central Indiana, until 4 p.m. EDT. 11 p.m. EDT. A severe thunderstorm was located over Brownsburg, OR 16 miles north of Indianapolis, moving northeast AT 35 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Avon, Danville, Plainfield, Indianapolis, Pittsburgh, Brownsburg with National Weather Service Office.
Created using Powtoon.